Sunday. I hope you're doing amazingly well. I'm actually filming on the day that I should be filming and uploading, so that's good. It's a good start, a good Sunday. I actually have a makeup haul for you today. So I'm actually going to be doing some trying out of some new makeup and also showing you a few bits that I bought. So let's just get started. So I bought a few goodies. One I'm not obviously going to use today, and that is the Revolution Skincare London, and I bought these 3 microfiber face cloths because I'm trying to be a bit more sustainable in terms of not using makeup wipes so much. I do have a packet of makeup wipes, which is one that I would usually buy. I tried to have one just as like an emergency pack of makeup wipes, but I don't really use them on a daily basis. I have like cloths like these, so I have one already, but I find that when I use it and then wash it, I'm waiting for it to dry. So I bought 3 more just so I can obviously always have one ready and available, and I can hand wash it, let it dry, and then just keep alternating between them. But there's those, and then I have some makeup, which is really what this video is about because I need to do my makeup today. So I purchased the Iconic London Sheer Blush, which is like a liquid blush. I purchased the new Nars CLIMAX Extreme Lash Mascara, which I'm so excited for this because I have the original red CLIMAX mascara and I loved it, so I wanted to see what the difference is with this. I purchased a MAC eyeliner, which is like the pot eyeliner, which I've been dying to get, to be honest, because the pen eyeliners I'm just not very good at, so I'm quite excited to see if I am any better with this. Probably not. And then I have a new liquid lipstick, which is the MAC Powder Kiss Liquid Lip Colour in the shade Mull It Over, which is very autumnal. But we're going to try all these today anyway. The first thing I'm going to do is just go in with my Nude Stick Sheer Foundation. It's very much like a tinted moisturiser, so I don't mind using this on a daily because it's really light. It's actually really nourishing on the skin. So yeah, all good. So I've just not really been feeling all that positive this morning, or just for the last few days, and I don't know whether it's because it was my time of the month, so my hormones have been everywhere. Obviously too much information for a lot of people, sorry about that. But just genuinely my overall mood has just not been that great. Like I've just felt quite low in myself, and I don't know why. Maybe it's the weather, maybe it's just because obviously I'm not being able to see like family members and things, and it's close to Christmas, so I've been thinking about that lately, about like seeing my brothers, my sister, my parents, just yeah. And I just want to do more obviously with Gary, and you're obviously quite limited, but everyone's in the same boat. We're quite limited with what we're allowed to do now and how many people we're allowed to see and all that stuff. So yeah, I've just had a bit of a not a great mood. I'm just not being in a great mood or a great headspace, so I'm trying to like get myself out of that funk. And we booked something for our wedding anniversary yesterday, which is super exciting, and I'll be vlogging that as well because it's such a beautiful place, and I was recommended by my friend Asia. She's a fellow YouTuber as well, so I'll link her YouTube channel below because her videos are always lovely, and it's just, she very much focuses on travel, which is so exciting. So I'll link her YouTube below because I definitely recommend going to watch her videos as well. I'm just going to pop on some Nude Sticks concealer, just a teeny little bit, because I've got some blemishes I need to cover up. Actually cover my dark circles, being as someone on here asked me why I don't do that. Cheeky. And I was on a video where I was actually ill when I was filming that video, and the reason I didn't cover them up is because no amount of makeup would have covered them, so I just didn't. But it was funny. It wasn't funny at the time. I thought, you're so rude, but looking back, actually it's funny. I'm just going to use my finger. Look how, I need to do my nails today. My nails are really skanky. I did mean to get them done or do them before this video, and then I've completely forgotten. I've only just noticed when I'm looking at them now, so I'm going to redo them. I've just started a new vlog, which is going to be really exciting. Hopefully I can kind of do it justice as well. I like the thoughts I have in my head of how I want to do it. Hopefully I can make that happen. Fingers crossed. I'm just going to go with my MAC Give Me Sun powder, just to kind of like warm up my face a little bit. Actually, the plan is to film this and edit it and upload it all today. So hopefully you are watching this today. What time today? I don't know, but I'm going to film it and then edit it straight away. So hopefully it'll be up not too late. Now we're going to get into some new makeup. So I'm going to actually do the eyeliner first, because this is the bit that I'm dreading the most, because usually I'm useless. And this is the Pro Longwear FLUIDLINE eyeliner gel by MAC. So I will pop the description below for you so you know what it is. This is what the packaging looks like. Looks very nice. I'm just going to use this BH Cosmetics brush, angled brush, to see if I can. Let's see. Who knows? I'm going to zoom you in. Maybe a mistake zooming you in. I want to try and give myself like a little flick, if I can. Hey guys, so I managed to finally do it, and I got rid of the flick. So I changed I had to do it off camera because it just went really wrong on this eye. I think it's because of the brush I was using. So I've now used the Real Techniques fine liner brush, which is this one right here, and this was so much better with like the pot eyeliner, and I really like it. I think I need to practice a bit more with using it because I'm not that great, but yeah, that is awesome. Love that. I'm now going to use the Iconic London sheer blush. I've been really excited for this because I don't use much Iconic London products, but I hear they're amazing. This is what the packaging looks like. It's so beautiful. So I'm very excited. I'm actually going to, I don't know how it comes out. Yes, it comes out like this. I'm going to pop it on the back of my hand and then use my blusher brush. Pop in a little bit. It's a peachy colour, which is like my favourite colour blusher. So I'm going to just take this, dab it in the areas that I want it. So like here. And then use my blusher brush just to like pat it in. What I love about liquid blushers is that it makes your skin look so dewy. My powder blushers can obviously dull your skin as well, because obviously if you use too much powder product, this obviously really enhances. It's a really nice natural looking blusher. I could go probably a little bit darker because of my skin tone, but I am much more of a peach girl anyway. In person, I don't think you can see it too much on camera, but in person that looks really nice. It's coming up really well, but I don't think you can see too much on camera, probably because of the light, so apologies for that. Maybe I need to put the blind down. Bear with me. That's better. I've just put the blind down. I think the light from the windows obviously affecting the light on the camera, so just do more of this blusher. It comes on really, obviously it's a sheer blusher, but I actually really like the look of it. And that's that done. I really like that blusher. It is very sheer, but I like a sheer, like a natural looking blusher. It's cute. Let's put on some highlighter. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Star highlighter. If you're curious, it's beautiful. Highly recommend it. And now to put on some mascara. So this is the Nars CLIMAX Extreme Mascara. I am obsessed with this packaging. It's so cool. It's really bulky. And this is what the bristles look like. It's a really nice brush. It goes on really well. It is very, very nice. It's actually, the brush is a lot nicer than the Climax mascara. I'll show you the difference in a moment when I've just done this. It is a really nice mascara. It is very, very thick. So this is what the Climax mascara looks like, and this is the Extreme Climax. So it's a thicker packaging, and the bristles on this one, actually I think they were the same brush, but so that's the difference in the brushes. They're actually very similar, but the black one I think is thicker. Yeah, I love that. It's a really nice mascara. It is very thick. You might need to clean the brush off. I find that I usually have to do that with a lot of mascara brushes when they're brand new, because there's a lot of product in there, and it usually goes onto the brushes too much, and there's usually too much product. So I like to clear the bristles and then start fresh, and I find that really works. Finally, I'm going to go in with the MAC Powder Kiss Liquid Lip Colour in the shade Mull It Over. I haven't actually tried a MAC liquid lipstick ever in my entire YouTube career, so I'm excited to give this a try. And this is the shade Mull It Over, and it's a powder kiss, so I don't know what that means. Is it a powder lipstick? Ah, it goes on like a matte lipstick, but not like a liquid lipstick. But I love this shade. Oh, it's beautiful. I think this is my favourite product out of my haul. This is lovely. Oh, that's gorgeous. I'm obsessed with that shade. That is not what I expected it to look like, but that is stunning. So this is the final makeup look. So my thoughts on my new products. So the eyeliner, really like the eyeliner. Like how you have to apply it, because I'm useless at eyeliner at the best of times. So I think it will be easier. I just need to put a bit of practice in, but I actually really like how it applies, how it looks, the way that you can obviously make it thicker, thinner, and it's not like too hard to remove either, because I had to completely remove my eyeliner and redo it. So love that by MAC, and that is the Black Track Pro Longwear Fluid Liner Eyeliner Gel, which I'll link below anyway. So great. Iconic London Sheer Blush in the shade Cheeky Coral. So this is a beautiful blush. It is very sheer. You can see it vaguely on my skin on the camera, but in person it is more colourful in person. I love this actually. I think for a natural makeup look, this is perfect. It would also look really nice in the summer. Really like liquid blushes at the moment. I think that they add a bit of dewiness to your skin, so it's really great. And it's the first time I've been trying Iconic London's blusher, so I would definitely recommend it. And I would also maybe look at getting a darker shade as well, for days that I want for my blushes to be a bit more prominent. But overall, I love the look. I think it's very natural, gives you like just a touch of colour on your cheeks, which I think is beautiful. So yeah, there's that one. The Nars Climax Extreme Mascara, love it. I actually prefer it to the original Climax mascara. I love the packaging, I love how it goes on. I just think overall it gives a really nice look. It adds a lot of thickness to the lashes. Yeah, the only downfall I think for this is that a lot of product does clump onto the bristles, which, you know, I get really frustrated with that, but then I just obviously want bristles and start fresh, and it works really well for the mascara. It's just how much maybe products in the tube, but there's that. Do really like it, think it's a really nice mascara. And then finally is the MAC Powder Kiss Liquid Lip Colour in the shade Mull It Over, and I love this. This is my favourite product out of everything I've bought. It goes on really well. It gives a look of a really nice matte lipstick. It doesn't feel dry. The colour's beautiful, and just overall very happy with it. So yeah, I hope you really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share with all your friends, and I'll see you next time.